A huge gotcha for you guys that I didn't mention in the following video is when you copy artwork from Illustrator and then jump over to Photoshop and paste it as a smart object, not pixels, a smart object. Here's the gotcha. If this checkbox is on, Photoshop's going to hang. It's never going to load your Illustrator art to your current library. I don't know why. This works fine for me, but with your account, it doesn't work for whatever reason. This has to be deselected, okay? If that's selected, you're going to wind up with a loading bar that says waiting on libraries, and it will never, ever end. So see, I paste this and this would be just fine. If I hit Command Z, hit Escape to get out of that, and then Command V, and paste this with this on, you're going to get, when I commit that, you're going to get a loading bar. Either, there it is, the waiting on libraries. Mine worked. It just dropped it into my library. Yours will load infinitely. And the only way out of it is to force quit Photoshop. And you lose your changes, which is the really bad part, and that's why you should always save early, and I didn't have you do that either. So we haven't used Illustrator and Photoshop in the Mac lab, since before COVID. So this is on me for not remembering that this happens to you guys. This vector smart object will not ever get in your library. There's workarounds for this, and we'll get to that. But for right now, just know when, Command Z, when you paste this, deselect that icon. Just critical for you guys. Got it? Okay, if you do it and you get stuck, the shortcut to get out of this, if that loading bar is there, is Option Command Escape. And you might want to write that down, because Option Command Escape gets you out of virtually all program lockups. There are ones that it doesn't work and you can force quit. I typically say hit return twice, because the first time you hit force quit, you get a, do you really want to do it? And if you really want to do it, that second return actually works in force quits. I'm going to cancel because I don't really want to do it. So there you go. That's the gotcha. Sorry. My fault for not remembering. Don't fall for that. Deselect those libraries.